The Lexus LC500 is a grand tour that strikes a rare balance between design performance and everyday usability. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the LC500 makes a statement. The exterior design is nothing short of breathtaking. Its bold, spindle grille, sleek lines, and sharply sculpted body panels give it a futuristic yet elegant appearance. The LED headlights, inspired by the concept car it's based on, are shaped like blades and add a high-tech, aggressive look to the front fascia. From every angle, the LC500 looks like it's in motion even when it's parked. The long hood, wide stance, and low roofline give it classic sports car proportions, while the 21-inch forged alloy wheels and flush door handles enhance its premium feel. Around back, the taillights are inspired by the afterburners of a jet, with a layered 3D lighting effect that turns heads at night. Lexus hasn't just designed a car here, they've sculpted a rolling piece of art. Step inside, and the luxury continues. The interior of the LC500 is crafted with exceptional attention to detail. The cabin surrounds the driver with premium materials such as semi-aniline leather, Alcantara, and satin metallic trim. The seats are not only beautiful to look at, but they're also extremely comfortable and supportive, whether you're carving through corners or cruising on the highway. The layout is driver-focused, with a low seating position and a digital gauge cluster inspired by the Lexus LFA Supercar. The infotainment system includes a 10.3-inch display and a premium Mark Levinson surround sound system, offering clear and immersive audio quality. While the touchpad controller can be finicky and take some time to get used to, the system overall is well equipped with navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a suite of safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and blind spot monitoring. The rear seats are more decorative than practical, but that's expected in a 2+2 grand tourer like this. Under the hood, the LC500 houses a naturally aspirated 5.0-liter V8 engine that produces 471 horsepower and 398 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission that delivers power smoothly and responsively. This engine is a dying breed in a world of turbochargers and hybrids, and it's one of the most emotional parts of the LC500. It revs cleanly and produces a deep, thunderous growl that's addictive every time you hit the throttle. On the road, the LC500 feels more like a grand tourer than a pure sports car, and that's by design. It's incredibly refined, stable at high speeds, and comfortable over long distances. The adaptive variable suspension keeps the ride smooth, while still maintaining enough sharpness to handle spirited driving. Steering is precise, and the car feels planted through corners, with a near 50-50 weight distribution that enhances balance and control. As for pricing, the Lexus LC500 starts at around $98,000 in the US, with higher trims and options pushing it past the $110,000 mark. When compared to European rivals like the BMW 8 Series or the Mercedes-AMG GT, the LC500 holds its own, offering a more emotional driving experience and a distinctive design that sets it apart in any crowd. The Lexus LC500 isn't just a car, it's a statement of style, performance, and luxury. It may not be the most practical or the fastest in its class, but it's undeniably one of the most soulful. If you're looking for a grand tourer that turns heads, sounds incredible, and wraps you in luxury, the LC500 deserves a spot at the top of your list.